Hello, fellow Easy Billers. Jeff from Easy Billing 360 here with yet another feature update. Exciting news that I wanted to keep you all in the loop on. And this time we're talking about the terms, conditions, notes that go on the bottom of the invoice. For example, in this example, we click on the invoice and we're talking about this particular thing here. How can I edit this and send it not necessarily the same, but different on a per client basis? Maybe I have customized notes that on a per client basis I want to change. How do I do that? Well, before you couldn't, and the good news is now you can. And the way we currently, of course, do it is we do it through the company setup profile, which is under the invoicing tab. And this is where you would find your terms and conditions, notes, invoice, footer, message, etc. This is what would appear on the bottom of the invoice. Any new client that you add into the system will automatically inherit this and will automatically show this net 30 on the bottom left of the invoice. How about those instances now where you need to customize this message for a particular client? Net 30 doesn't do it, but if you change it here, you don't want it going to everybody else, right? So the way we would apply that is via the custom profile feature. And let me show you how to do that. We go into the clients, menu item, and then we click on custom profile. Once we're here, we're going to assign a custom profile, and we're going to select the client we want to change this message for. We're going to click OK. Once we're here, we can change any settings we want, but right now what we're concerned with is this message on the bottom. So we can say net 15, for example, no credit cards accepted, for example. Okay, this is what's going to appear now on the invoices moving forward for this client, Acme. We're going to go back here. We're going to click on View Invoices. We're going to see previous invoice that got sent to Acme, and we're seeing that it's net 30. This is great because this is what we wanted from before. However, moving forward now, we want to make sure that the new invoice footer message gets applied correctly. So I'm going to create another invoice. I'm going to click on Acme. I'm going to click and enter an amount. Let's say we're today fixing Lisa's computer. Great. We're going to charge one. We're going to say, okay, I'm going to charge her $30 for doing that. I'm going to pin that to the invoice. I'm going to send this off. Yep. And as soon as I do, folks, you're going to see this invoice now appear here. But let's examine the invoice itself. If I click on number 10, I can see here net 15, no credit card accepted. And we see that it's customized specifically to Acme. But if I click on the earlier Acme, going back just for demo purposes, we see that it's still net 30. This, once you change it in the custom profile for a client, it will do it from that point forward. Hope you find this new, exciting, very good as far as customizing it on a per client basis. Use it to your advantage, folks. Glad we can make that available for you. Enjoy.